All right, y'all. Today we are working on Ahmads R34. We are going to be putting in new coilovers because these are pretty shot and he rubs everywhere. Putting on new coilovers, are new to him. What are these? Some kind of coilovers, but much better than the TEINs he has now. TEINs are ass. And we're putting on new fenders because these are black and a little damaged. So he's got newer fenders from his old Skyline that are white that are going to go on this kit thing. Put in new coilovers, and we are going to prep it for getting wrapped this weekend. That'll be a separate video, but this video will show the fenders and new coilovers being installed. Well, let's get to it. First of all, we're going to start off by taking off the fenders. Just take these 3 bolts off. 1 bolt behind the door here. Now we have to take the side skirts off because the side skirt has a bolt behind it as well. We got to disassemble for wrap anyway, so just going to go ahead and do that. All right, well, took about 10 minutes to tear this bitch apart, but not even. Fenders off. Yeah, fenders off. This fender's off. Bumper's off. Can't take this one off until the side skirt's off. But while this side is up, we are going to do the coilovers on the front. It looks like just the two top bolts here. 1 big nut here. And then just make sure you take off the brake lines and everything. Should pop right out, and then we will put the new one in. All right, well, that was super easy. Just need to take the top 2 off, the bottom one off. Make sure the whole front end is off the ground so the sway bar doesn't have stress on it. She pops right out. Super easy. All right, new coils in. There's no bracket for the brake line, so we're just gonna zip tie this to the coilover. Super easy, just 1 bolt here, 2 bolts on the top. Insanely easy. Probably one of the easiest coilovers I've done. Now for the rear, we will do bottom bolt here, and then Ahmed is working on getting the interior out.
The biggest nightmare. Fronts, easy as shit. The rears, you have to fucking get through the back seats. Have to take them out.
You can see
they're
them right
literally
there.
back there.
Yeah.
And what he did, dude, for the second, he literally cut
a hole?
Yeah, on both sides. They're cut up.
Oh my God.
I never noticed it. And then I saw a chunk come missing inside.
Perfect.
Literally chopped up.
Perfect. Well, yeah, seats have to come out. 2 bolts all the way back there. And then 1 big bolt on the bottom. Should pop out. I'm going to work on the bottom while he's getting that. All right, well, minus I'm taking out the rear seats. Pretty easy. Just 1 bolt and nut on the bottom here, and then just the 2 screws up top behind the seats, and they pop right out. And here they are. Again, fuck TEIN. Worst coilovers ever
in our life have we ever had good experience with this brand.
TEINs are the shittiest coilovers ever made. Don't spend $1,000, $1,200, however much they are. They're trash.
You're better off with eBay coilovers. Literally same quality, if not better.
I would go max speeding and race lines over fucking TEINs. But those are out. We're gonna slap the new ones in, slap the fender on, and lower the car on the wheels, and hopefully we don't have to adjust the height, but we'll see how it goes. All right, well, both coilovers are on. Put this down. Turn this. How do you turn this on? Oh, how do you turn this fucking shit on? How do you turn this on? Huh? How do you turn this on?
On the side. Buttons on the side.
Am I blind? Yo. Oh, I got it, chat. All right, rear coilovers are in. Super easy again, minus the rear, or minus the back seats. Fenders on. Again, super easy. Bumper has to be off, of course. But now it's 10% more white, which means more privilege. JK, anyways. Now we're not gonna put the front bumper back on. We're gonna jack up this side, get this side done, get this fender off, side skirt off, coilovers in. Should be done within, hopefully, not even an hour. And we'll show you guys once the car's on the ground, and hopefully the coilovers don't need adjusting.
By the way. Oh.
All right, well, new coilovers went in, new fenders went on. Car rides way better, doesn't rub as much. We did have to take the spacers out, but the vehicle does ride way better. We are currently disassembling everything for wrap. Got the door handles off. That'll be the next video when we start wrapping, but vehicle is getting absolutely torn apart. And the next video will be us wrapping it. So stay tuned for that one, and we'll see you in that video.